Good morning, guys. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Market open. Let's see what we got for today. Got some exciting news here. We're going to be giving away a 100K FIDUS prop firm account, swing account. We're going to do the same thing today. The giveaway will start at 11. We'll run until 11:30. You need 25 bread points to enter. You earn bread points by subscribing, liking, and chatting. For every 10 minutes you are active, you earn 5 bread points. Bread points are reset at the beginning of every stream, and everyone starts at 0. And it'll be one 100K swing evaluation account from FIDUS Prop Firm. So let me remove all these drawings that are on all my charts here and do a clean slate for today. Massive pump there on NQ off open. So there we go. There's the rules. I'm going to go ahead and reset everybody's points just to make sure we're on the same page. So reset loyalty database once, reset loyalty database twice, reset loyalty database 3 times. So everybody is now at 0 bread points. So everybody starts equally. All right, so let's get into this. I'm going to do a speed run through the prop firm promos real quick, get everybody caught up there. Shout out the sponsor, the one providing these accounts. We'll check the daily red folder news and then some exciting news about the Influencer Cup. So saveonpropfirms.com for all current promotions and discount codes. You can use code SOPF at any of these partner firms. We got Apex Trader Funding, 80% off all accounts and $85 lifetime PA fee. That ends today at midnight Eastern Time. Blue Sky Trading, 25% off. Buell Knox, 83% off option 1 accounts. That also ends tonight at midnight. Then 45% off option 2. Day traders, they haven't given an end date, but maybe they did. According to Save on Prop Firm site here, it's 90% off trailing accounts, 80% off static accounts, and 40% off straight to funded. That may end tonight, that may not. You might want to pick up one of those accounts if you're wanting to try day traders. Then you got Funded Futures Network, 50% off all accounts. Activation fees have been waived and buy one get one free. Real good deal here on Funded Next Futures for brand new users. You can get 25% off legacy accounts or 15% off rapid accounts with code HEADSTART. But please use Save on Prop Firm's link or purchase through their website if you're interested in an account so they can keep blessing me with accounts to give away to you guys. And if you're already an existing user, you can get 10% off all accounts with code SOPF. Funding Ticks is 35% off all accounts for new users' first purchase, or 20% off for existing users. Lucid Trading, 35% off all accounts. That's on their evaluation account or their direct accounts. My Funded Futures has 5% off with their free Scale Flex add-on. I'm not sure if that ended or not, but I know they're supposed to be bringing that add-on to the core accounts as well, which gives you a bigger payout. FIDUS Prop Firm, who's providing the accounts today or this week, 80% off OTP or one-time payment challenges. There is no monthly fee. There is no activation fee. You pay one fee and that's it. They're 80% off, and then 60% off their evaluations. Then you got Take Profit Trader, 40% off all accounts, no activation fee, daily payouts, no consistency. You can trade 5 accounts with them and set this up as a daily ATM machine. They are really goated right now in the space. I would hop on them, guys. You can get a 50K account all in for $102 with code SOPF. The futures desk sale ended, so there's no sale right now. It's just 20% off. Tick updated their sale. It's now 60% off all S2F Plus accounts, or if you pay with crypto or Skrill, you get an extra 5% off, and that's on the single accounts, the 5 account or the 10 account bundles. Their regular S2F direct accounts and evaluation accounts do not have a sale right now. S2F Plus seems to be the way to go. Then trade day, 30% off all accounts, no activation fee. Daily payouts, no consistency. Really goated right now in the space, just like Take Profit. And then Tradeify is pumping out a flash sale right now. You can get 40% off the 25K, 50K, or 100K accounts, and you can use the code unlimited amounts of times, code SOPF. So that's on Advanced Growth or Lightning Direct to Funded. Really good deal with them right now. They have paid out over $80 million, and they are a really good firm, in my opinion. And if you want to grab one of the 150K accounts, it's 30% off. So let's hop over here to the news. Looking at Thursday, October 16th, we had two orange folders. We had Philly Fed Manufacturing Index at 8:30, and then we had FMOC member Waller speak at 9. Then we have another Fed speaker at 10 a.m., Housing Market Index, and some other stuff that's just yellow folder. Nothing really, really big on big movers. But, you know, the president can tweet at any moment and we can dump 600 points off a tweet. So just make sure you got your stop losses in place. And now here's the exciting news, the Influencer Cup, the Trade Day Influencer Cup. The three people that were on the funded leaderboard, Canadian Futures Trader, Nutty Bar Trading, and Forex Ike, have all blown their funded accounts within like 2 days of having them. But one thing I found out that I didn't like, I mean, I kind of like it, but I kind of don't, is that after you blow up the funded, you start back over in the evaluation. So like Canadian Futures Trader started back over in evaluation and has already made money again. But myself, Pine Tree Trader, and Kellyanne have progressed into the funded stage now. I have 0 resets and Kellyanne has 0 resets. So we're going to continue the same momentum here with these accounts. Go slow like a turtle. Just try to get daily base hits and let them add up and let the profits do the talking for us. I have not set up the funded account yet with them. I have to accept the Rise invite and go through a little trading course that Trade Day makes you do and some other things before the account becomes active. And I didn't have a chance to do that yet, so I don't know if I'll be trading it today. So let's hop over here to the market and see where we're at. Anybody got any questions? So good morning to everybody. I'm catching up on the chat here. Good morning, good morning. Thank you, Jogglmeister. I appreciate that. Yes, a lot of good offers out there right now. Master Reset Trader. Thank you, Pro Trader. So let's take a look at the market here on the 5-minute off the open. I want to pull up the different sessions and see where we're at here. So yesterday, NQ looked like a damn meme coin instead of a major index fund. Pump up, pump down, up, retrace a little bit, pump down some more, pump right back up. Then we opened for the new day and sold off a little bit, formed Asia low and high. Asia high was taken in London, and then London high has now been was taken prior to 9:30, but we still have London low and Asia low. If we take a look at ES over here, same story, only Asia high has been taken. And on YM, Asia high was taken by London, but not Asia low. It was almost taken right there at midnight. And then again at 12:40 a.m., but it didn't quite take it. So a interesting area of liquidity for me here is we've got some equal lows resting down here right around the VWAP. And then that is also right around a psych level that I talk about a lot. So we have a psych level at 25,000 there. So I may be interested in trying a long here, because if we throw a fib on this as well, I thought a different line was the previous day low. We would be much lower for a 50% retracement. Jogglmeister, just make sure you sent Save on Prop Firms on Twitter a message, and they will get to you as soon as they can. They are clearing a little bit of a backlog, they told me, but they've got most of everyone caught up. You may be one that they haven't got caught up on, but you should get that account today, or they should make contact with you today. They will get to you, I promise. You can talk to everyone else in the chat that's won, and they have gotten their accounts. So we're just kind of ranging here on NQ so far. Very choppy open. Hold on a second, guys. I'm going to have to mute this mic. There's some weird beeping going on outside my house. All right, guys. Sorry about that. It's a propane gas truck delivering some stuff to my neighbors out there. Wanted to make sure there was nothing crazy going on, you know. Good morning, Donna. Morning, Top G. Very rangy open here. And one thing I've noticed, any trades I've been taking prior to about 9:50, 10 o'clock, I've been getting stopped out on. So we're going to go for at least 9:50 or 10 o'clock now and see what we get. Had some other equal lows down here that are really close to each other. But if we look at the higher time frame narrative here, we have this area buy side up here, and price is still inside this huge 4-hour fair value gap. So we took out previous day high there. Previous day high was swept on NQ. ES did not make a new high or take previous day high. And neither has YM. So we got a little bit of a higher time frame SMT forming there. So we'll wait here to about 9:50 to see what kind of setup we get. Big pushback down there. Oh, sorry guys. I didn't realize my mic was muted there. Congrats on passing that lead, Chris. That's what's up. Yeah, I was looking for a short here off this 1 minute inversion if we got a retrace back up to it, but we didn't get a retrace. And we've gone ahead and taken out these lows down here. So, I mean, we could potentially see a retrace. It would line up with the optimal trade entry there if we get a pullback up to that level. And it would be right around a psych level as well of 25,100. But I don't think we're going to see a retrace up there. I may be wrong, but if we do, we could do something kind of like this. But I also was looking over here at the 5-minute. We do have a nice looking 5-minute fair value gap that was tapped into here. If we inverse that, may also be a potential entry for a short. But I would like to see us get a retracement back up there into that zone for a continuation lower. As like I said, on ES, we had SMT here at the high. If we look at the 5-minute from 845 to the 945 candle, where if you look on NQ, you have your 845 area over here to 945. It made new highs. And YM 845, we did make a new internal high, but we didn't make a new actual high. So let's see, we're having a pullback here back up into this range. Let's see if price does pull back and give us an entry here. Let's see what we get here. If we get filled on this or not. It'd be a hell of a risk to reward here. A 1 to 4.4, almost 4.5. So first target to take out one contract would be right around the psych level and the equal low level around 25,000. So I'd shoot for like 25,008, about 3 points away from the equal lows at 25,005. And second point to get out at I would target London lows there around 24,953. I would go a couple points before that. Having more of a retracement here. The only thing I don't really potentially like about this entry that I'm seeing is we really didn't have a change in the state of delivery. You see price came down and wicked below this low down here, but we didn't have any body closures below that low. Which sometimes is the market tipping its hand telling you, hey, it was just a retracement, maybe an internal sweep, search and destroy, we're going to go back up. So let's see if we get filled here at this optimal trade entry level. And the optimal trade entry on this leg is exactly 25.9650, and our order is 25.95. So we'd like to see price come up into here. Do something like this. So will we get filled here? We're about 10 points away from getting filled. Almost. We are filled on that entry. Is Trade Sinker. Trade Sinker is working today. Everything was copied over. So we were going to set a buy at 25,008 for one contract. So we'll buy one right there, would be our first scale point. Currently up 100 ticks from that entry with literally no drawdown. That's what I'm talking about, 150 ticks. Come on, push it down, push it down. Let's fucking go. Come on, flush it down here. We take out that low there, I'm going break even. If we take out the low under the VWAP, I'm bringing it to break even. That was a solid entry there. I mean, that was a perfect entry. I mean, I don't know how much better you could have gotten than that. The high of that candle that we got tapped in on was 96.50, so we were 1.5 points, 6 ticks worth of drawdown that we took on. So let's see if it holds and we get a push down here. I'd like to see ES come and take down this low, take out this low down here. Same thing with YM. I'd like to see those lows taken out. Come on, come sweet for us. Sweet for me. Having a lot of back and forth right here. Hopefully we see some continuation down here. We kind of got a head and shoulders formed here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Let's see if we dump down here. Come on, flush it down for us. I should have taken it off there at 200 ticks. Right at 200 ticks on that entry. But we are also inside of a macro time right here, which makes me think we're going to continue down. The only reason that we wouldn't continue down, like I said, we didn't really have a change of state of delivery down here below this low, and we did inverse this little 1 minute fair value gap. Come on, flush us down. Don't give us any random tweets in the middle of the day. Lots of volatility coming in there. Very violent looking candle. Come on, flush it for us. Push us down and get us out of this range and under that VWAP. Come on, push it. Push it. Don't like the consolidation here and the failure to displace lower. Very choppy here. We just rolled over to 10 a.m. though. Let's see what happens. Look at that. That's just ugly structure there on YM. Ugly structure on NQ and ES. So it's a toss up here. We do take out that low there around 25, 26 area. Like I said, I will go break even. I don't like this choppiness. Come on. Push us down. Push us down. We need to get under that psych level of 2550. We're having a lot of back and forth here. Yeah, the failure to give us a change in state of delivery there funded night, as well as this little 1 minute inversion that formed, is the only thing having me thinking we may continue higher. But I like that push there. Push us under the VWAP here. Come on, continue down. Come on. ES and YM both just made new lows. Alerts just popped up on the screen, but no new low on NQ yet. Up about 200 ticks on this entry. I'd like to see a sweep of this low, like I said, to go break even. I don't like the SMT that we just got. ES, YM both made new lows, but no new low on NQ. Don't like that. Top G really putting in minimal effort on getting his points with the dot. I mean, more power to you, bro. Come on, flush it. Flush it. Yep. I think I'm going to get stopped out now because we had that SMT. We had ES make a new low right here. We had YM make a new low, really from about the 934 candle. But NQ did not make a new low. And it's like every time price has been touching this 5-minute fair value gap here, it has a reaction back to the upside. You can see it's been tapped into 1, 2, about 5 times. this Wick City over here, Wick on YM and Wick. I mean, NQ does have some bigger bodies here, but after that initial push down and retracement, it's still Wick City. ES is Wick City. So give us a push here. Get us underneath the VWAP. That's what I need to see. Underneath the VWAP. Come on, continue here. Continue. Don't go back up into that range. Don't you do it. Don't do it. Push us under that VWAP. It's like every time price gets close to this 5-minute fair value gap, it just bounces back up. A boing, a boing, boing, boing. Excuse me. Come on, flush us down here. Get us out of this damn range. This is a scalper's dream right here. You could throw some Bollinger Bands on this thing and just play ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. ES made another new low. YM made another new low, but NQ still has not followed suit. I think if NQ can get with the program here, we can see much lower. There we go. Push us down. Push us down here. New low on ES. Come on, flush it. Flush it under the VWAP. New low on YM. Give us a new low NQ. Come on. Don't keep forming SMTs here. Don't you do it. Push it. Push it down. There we go. Come on. Get under that low. We need under 25, 55, 25. Or yeah, 25, 26. So if that alert disappears there, then we got a new low. Oh, come on now. Really. Another SMT there. ES new low. YM new low. NQ finally a new low. There we go. Come on. Now let the floor fall out. Fall out. 300 ticks here. Come on. Almost there. Only a few points shy there. I am going to move my stop up here. Slightly above break even. I should have taken that one off there at the sweep of that low. But I'm going to let it ride here. Follow my initial trade entry. I should say that we get to those equal lows down there. I believe that's the draw. Come on, flush it here. Flush it. Price currently battling over the VWAP now. Not liking the look of this response on that sweep. Yeah, it respected that 1 minute fair value gap there for a second, but not looking like it's going to hold. Going to go right back up into this damn range. Yep, I should have taken off at that low down there. Yep, going to get stopped out here. See, price tapped into that 5 minute fair value gap again. And we did not get a closure below there, just wicks. And I'm getting stopped out. ES hitting the VWAP. YM having some hold up at its VWAP. NQ though, with that momentum and that recovery after that sweep of that low, I'm pretty sure I'm getting stopped. Like I said, if I don't get stopped, it's just luck. It's luck on where I place that stop loss. I should have taken that one contract off down here on the sweep of that low. Oh, I'm mad at myself about that. I was up over $500 and just gave back basically 250 ticks. Oh, that's rough. Okay, stopped out on that. That was a win, a small win on that. I don't like the consolidation that we're in here, though. So two possible entries here, one for short. If we were to inverse this singular 1 minute fair value gap here, I would go short. Or if we come up and we inverse this fair value gap, I would try a long. Yeah, it didn't take a loss, but lost a lot of my drawdown trying to let that trade run. Probably lost just about $450 worth of drawdown roughly in them Apex accounts. I love getting stopped out just barely. Stopped out at 87.50 by about 3 points. So ES inversed that 1 minute. YM also inversed to 1 minute. So I'm pretty sure we're going higher here.